The good thing about this is you've got all the models are easy.
Yes, this is what
that's a benefit, isn't it?
Well, I built the first 009 back in 2020 when we had that silly time.
Yeah.
To sort of keep me sane, I thought, oh, I'll build a small one.
Yeah.
And then,
I don't think I've got the dexterity to work in N-gauge on the actual model. It's too small.
yes, so I find engagement too small. This is sort of just what your reaction would be. What do you think? You are? Okay.
Do they bring a brand or do we go and get it? What? Well, I'll park this out of the way and then I'll look. What am I uncoupling then? Am I splitting this train? Or we just You are? Yeah. Egg sandwich, chocolate muffin. Egg chocolate muffin. Past 15 is going to be the first one.
Then it makes it so that they can't carry on.
So you're coming up with ideas already. You need to build something.
Yeah, you do.
Can't get it wrong. So
whatever, dear. I'll take her anywhere. realistic, you can't. And I was always told, yeah, I'm doing that, so I'll do it.
And then there was an exhibition at Deerham recently, and somebody had the tin hat in O'Gay Scout. It might even be bigger, so there's loads of detail. But I find them fascinating.
Yeah, I did sort of a stupid amount of research into it to make it as realistic as possible.
Yeah. I like the pigeon coop sort of.
And I think John and Becky are coming as well.
Are they here anyway?
No, they're not. They couldn't make it today. So, yeah.
Well, you know,
Yeah. We'll be there. And then we've got our show at the end of May.
I've not had anybody there yet.
Well, I think he's got his later. Because the last 50 and there's
It doesn't do anything. I'm small. Right at the light. You've got to exhibit it. You've got no option. You've got to exhibit it.
Came behind your back sort of thing?
Something like that, yeah. So because it was built to operate it from the front, the last fortnight I spent
going. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. We've got the engine going. That's fantastic. It is, isn't it? Oh, very clever. Very clever. A working traction engine. Ah, right. That was a slight problem here. We've seen far too many engines we've gone through the middle. So, on the dual car.
Quite different.